Baigay patating sa... So balik tayo ulit tayo sa second YouTube channel dito sa DCBS. Ito naman guys yung para mag-record ng palabas. So kuha dito sa kahit anong channel dyan ka. So tingnan natin yung menu sa PBR. So ito yung try na iba to sa ano to sa aking USB. So yun guys. So saka na yan. So mag-play na lang tayo. So meron tayong music, photo, videos. So meron tayo dyan yung ano guys yung Digibox kasi na doon sa sa akong sa akong flash drive. So ito naman yung sa TV trade naman tayo. So itong TS ang ginawa ko ito yun. Since naka-TS yan, TS agad yan. Pag pindot mo yan, so nito yung nalabas, TS file yan. Tapos pindutin natin okay. Exit natin dito. Tapos napunta tayo sa pang TS file ang pwede dyan. So pindutin na natin okay. Exit natin Tapos yung 9. So pindutin na natin. Play natin dito guys.
There isn't even a single Apple product in this entire house. Until now. Alright, but they've like wrapped. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is running iOS. Oh, okay, yeah, that's about what I expected. But yeah, as you can see, this thing. 23. First, let's see if this thing can actually turn on. Power button's up here. Holy crap. I'm assuming it's not going to have any charge. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is running iOS. Oh, okay, yeah, that's about what I expected. But yeah, as you can see, this thing is running iOS 6. I love the look of iOS 6. So I'm very glad that I was able to find an iOS 6 iPhone for a good price. I'm just gotta get
So guys, tapos na natin yung TS file. So pindutin na tayo okay. Excess stop wala, sorry. So yan lang, balik tayo dito sa TV Trade. Yung Epic 2 pala guys, ito yung sa pang TS file, ito yung TS file Ito yung pindutin natin guys. TS file to so ito yung na natin pindutin.
How well these panels, okay, they came in, let's see how clear they are. That's the next phase. Now we're using the high definition receiver to receive this video signal. It's not bad actually. This is a remote control. I have the audio turned off, and the recording feature is pretty neat. So you just hit the record button on the remote. You can see up here in the left-hand corner that it's actually recording the video. So let's see how we can play it. You go to PVR.
Yan guys, so exit natin So exit natin dito sa TS file. Ito naman yung guys yung ating yung H264. Ito yung, sa pang ATSC, pindutin na natin guys. Yan, pindutin natin guys. So pindutin na natin yung ATSC files niyan.
Wheel of Fortune and MeTV cartoons like the Flintstones. So yeah, I'm not gonna play these. So that's my DVR record.
So yan yung TS file ko. So nag-play naman. So balik tayo dito sa ating. Yun, so sunod na guys. So balik tayo babalikan natin guys yung about dun sa PS file. So yan lang yung ating CBS. So magbabalik ako guys sa next YouTube channel. So magbabalik ako guys.